Want to view your friends' newest Facebook posts in your timeline first, rather than allowing Facebook's algorithm to decide what you should see first? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to view your Facebook feed in chronological order within the Facebook mobile app. Now let's get started. First, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the newest available version. Then, open Facebook and scroll down a little on your timeline. You should see a menu bar appear at the top. Tap Recent to switch your timeline to chronological order, with newest posts appearing first. If you tap Favorites, you'll see only posts from people and pages you favorited that have been shared in the last 3 days. Tap Home to switch back to the regular newsfeed view based on Facebook's algorithm. To customize your newsfeed further, tap the switch on the right. You'll see the 3 options we just covered in this menu, as well as a shortcut to your newsfeed settings. Tap Newsfeed Preferences to manage these settings. Here you can add or remove people and pages from your favorites list to prioritize whose posts you see in your feed. You can also unfollow people to stop seeing their posts, reconnect with people you've unfollowed, and manage your snooze settings if you've temporarily snoozed someone to stop seeing posts from them for a while. That's all it takes to view your Facebook feed in chronological order and customize your newsfeed settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.